Hello my lovely friends, this is the first time that I'm filming underwater with my GoPro camera and enjoy. It opens a new dimension of opportunities to film in the water, underwater, so I enjoy it really so much, and with the selfie stick swimming in this crystal clear water. This is so beautiful, and I swim out to my friends, the surfers, and yeah, this is incredible, and it's a bit dangerous. You also have to take care, but this is one thing I will not miss. I will include now in my videos with underwater takes, and also have maybe some fish or corals in this incredibly environment here in Catanduanes.
Alright. Okay. You'll be alright.
From now on we have the next dimension here in my videos. I wanted to share it with you. Please keep in mind this was my first video I did ever in my life with a selfie stick and underwater camera, and I have still the wrong angle, but I'm improving, and the next time it will be perfect. So we are in the air, on the ground, in the water, underwater, all the dimensions here with modern vlogging here in my channel. Please thumbs up and subscribe. I love you, my lovely friends. Thank you for everything you're doing for me. Bye bye.